Today, we want to tell you about a fun job.
What's the job?
It's a sports coach.
That's cool. Where does a sports coach work?
A sports coach works at the sports centre, or he can work outside at the park too.
What does he do?
He helps people to do exercise. People want to be fast and strong. They can run and jump. The sports coach helps them. They can run faster. They can feel better.
When does he work?
He works in the day, he works early in the morning, and in the evening too.
That's interesting. What about you? Do you want to do this job?
Yes, I want to be a sports coach. I think it's a fun job. What job do you want to do?